Okay, we're here at 3918 Wallingford Avenue North in Seattle. This is post cabling and jetting to get line open. You'll see when we pull back that there is a broken pipe around 35 feet or so. It's letting larger rocks into the sewer. So the homeowners have been made aware of that, and we do have a sewer specialist scheduled to come out later today to give them some options for repair or replacement. So here you can see that big hole letting rocks into the sewer. Also another major offset there, concrete just in really poor shape.